I can't see myself. Can't see myself. Oh, oh, oh. What's going on here? Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. A little bit better. What is going on, everybody? Well, happy Friday. Happy Friday. When's the last time I streamed? I think I streamed on Tuesday. I haven't done daily streams. Eventually I'll get back to them, but been trying to push out update 4 what I can anyway. So it's required a lot more attention than I can muster if I'm doing streams every day. Sadly. Alright, so the old way of doing this is temporary. There's a lot of placeholder stuff right now, but the old way of going into the firing range, which should still work actually, is if you went in here. I moved everything like weird place. Let me move this somewhere around here. Just group it first off. Move it over here. Alright. Totally just dropped my nail. Alright. So the old way was, I forgot. What is this? I don't even know. Things aren't even gripped right. I think. I don't know actually. Anyways, you put that shit in there. Then you did something like, I don't know. Can't remember exactly. But maybe it's this. Like if I remember. Oh yeah. But I don't know what happened to the damn weapon. Anyways, some shit. It was really weird. I don't know what's going on back there. Alright, well this one has a gun. Alright. Not sure what the hell happened to the other one. So this is supposed to be, I don't know. Yeah, there's the gun. So that, as you can see, I'm already confused. I was really confused. I couldn't figure it out. Anyway. Shit. Can't aim. Oh wow. There's some weird performance issues. I don't know what the hell's going on. How much longer is this? Oh, it's done. Okay. So we're. No, I died. Anyways. So I don't even know how to pick a gun. I don't know if there is even a. I don't know if you can. Anyway. So that's just confusing. Not like the way I just did it is any better. Well, it is better, but so obviously this is a screen, right? TV monitor. Go ahead. I need to clean this up later, but you want to do free mode, and then you pick which weapon you want, or which type of weapon, I should say. I need to put categories up there, or I forget. I need to disable the ones that I don't currently have. Good. So yesterday I was mainly working on the aesthetics, even though I didn't even get all the aesthetics done. But so you can get a pistol, and then all right, there you go here. Well, what's supposed to happen, which I don't have yet, is when you highlight over something, there's gonna be a screen here. Actually, I'll show you. I show you what it's supposed to look like. So it's supposed to come up with this, which will have the weapon name, obviously. Well, I want to get rid of the damn names on the buttons and then put diagrams. Weapon name with the picture again. Or maybe I don't know what the hell. And damage, fire rate, range, all this good information that they should have. At a glance. Maybe I should put that. I don't like it. It's centered now. Anyways, pick a damn mode. Go there. Pick a gun. I had to rename some of these because they were way too close, and I didn't even feel like going for copyright. Even though I don't know. I guess the M9 would be alright, but so you're supposed to click on one of these, right? And then you have to confirm or start over. I'm gonna have like a back thing here. I haven't gotten to it yet though. But so that shit came out. Boom, 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 ba boom, boom. I don't even know where it's at. There it is. Oh, I missed. I'm not sure why. The sound is like really weird. Yeah, there's some weird stuff going on. I don't know why there's some performance issues. I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, I don't know why the sound's like really off. Oh, the hell? I don't know why the ammo's not here either. Anyways, I'm gonna totally screw with this because I haven't done anything here yet, but might as well show that. We got other shit we can do too. AK-47. Up it above. Oh no. That may remind me, I need a. Oh no. Come back. Yo, how come those things are not dying? What the hell? Yeah, I don't know what the hell. I'm assuming there's some logic in there. Man, I didn't want to do any more work than I had to, but I might have to redo a lot more logic than I originally thought I would have to. Cause what the fuck? Why are some of these? Damn, dude, where's all the ammo? Looks like I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work. There's some performance issues too. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Sorry. What else? Yep. Oh, grenade didn't come. What the hell? Grenade should work. Sniper shouldn't work. Knife shouldn't. Melees? I do have melee. I plan on doing some funny moves here. But I guess that doesn't work either. The bow. Did I do the crossbow yet? I guess not. Shit. Oh, that doesn't even work. Hold on a sec. Oh, I didn't do bows. Oops. Bows. Got some weird. Got some info. I don't care. Just looking at trademarks too. What's up, DJ Hiramaster? I'm doing good. Working hard. Working hard. I wish I can drag out these on clicks. Crossbow. So it's gonna be really simple. Just keep adding weapons and stuff to this. I took my time. make sure that this was going to be super easy, not complicated. Even Jason could jump in here and add weapons. Real easy. To the shooting range list. There's something wrong though. Pretty sure. Other than a crossbow? No, it was the grenades, right? Thrown. Thrown grenades. This one should have worked. Visible? Why aren't you the same? You should be the same. Grenades equal category thrown grenade. Should work. Papa. My son? Yeah. That dude addicted to Fortnite like it's no man's business. He's good. He's been. I don't know what's up with that. See knives work? That makes no sense. I figured something out. Something's not right. Where the weapons at? What the shotguns do? Yeah, I don't get that. Everything else should be working too. Yeah, what the fuck? Man. Why? Maybe it's not working. Yes, over. Alright. Not Nerf gun. Man, what the hell? So why? Let me try SMG. Oh, hey. What the fuck? Hold on a second. Did I not? Ah! Wait a minute. What? Shit. Alright. Hold on a second. Alright. My brain is confused here. There's a whole bunch of random shit going out. There's. What the hell? I like totally took my time here. Alright, let me see. Alright, so the weapon category comes in here. I turn off weapon selection. Oh no, I turn off the weapon category. Alright, I think I'm done with this, but this is bugged though. And then it's supposed to show weapons for the category selected. Alright, so I enter weapon category. Weapon category goes in there. SMG was showing pistol for some fucking reason. This is supposed to be SMGs. SMGs. Designer. SMGs. Did I mess this up? No, I hope not. Show me the money. Mac that. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh. Oh, wait a minute. Shit. I think I know. First off, let's do all these. These should all be invisible. Pistol hit invisible. Hidden. Hidden. Alright. There's like a whole bunch of shit overlapping. So. Snipers. Well, actually, snipers. Yeah, we'll hide you anyway, but I need to disable you. Hide grenades. Hide melee. Hide shotguns. Hide bows. Fucking UMG. Hold on a second. Hide bows, hide bows. Okay. Now go back to the show weapon for category selected. Alright, I put this into a local array. So I have all the list here, and I go through, and right. So I select. So if it's a pistol, I go here and I do the pistols, rifle, SMG, shotguns, snipers, bow, thrown grenades. I need to rename those things. Melee. If it's true, I wonder if this happens more than once. It shouldn't tell once. Set visibility. I don't know. Okay. Let's just so I can double check this real quick. Off is the weapon category, on is the weapon selection, and then change. Alright, let's do this one more time. Oh, sorry. Weapon selections, event graph. Yeah, they should be. Let's see, try to make sure I've got all the weapons correct. They should be fine. The start screen or whatever, I need to figure something out better than that. I think the leaderboards are probably going to be there. You know what? I don't have chat for Steamers. Oops, shit. There are a couple people on Steam. My Fridays. SMG? Yeah, pistol. Okie dokie. WP weapon category. It's gotta be in this damn one then. Something's not right here. Pistols? SMGs. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Alright, here we go. Okay, going back. I was about to go to debugger, but I need to rename these so they're all the same. Ba 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 da ba ba. Alright, CX8 Thunder. Confirm. Oh baby, you are one sexy beast. Oh oh oh. Yeah, there's some weird lag in this damn rifle range. Boom! Oh shit. There's some weird. I don't like that alert. This thing sucks. First off, I need to fix whatever damage weird shit he's got going on. But anyway, let's go a different one. Let's go with the GAR 3, which is just a G3 basically. Oh man, something is lagging. I need to. Oh, I don't have it. Oh, I was like, what? Yeah, I don't know how to use this one. Is this it? Yeah, well, what the fuck? Okay. Alright. Come back. Alright. I'm getting like really bad. I know there's a lot of. I know this thing doesn't know what it's doing. But, what the fuck? Why is it so bad? The performance is so bad. Victor from France. Hello. Oh, crossbow. Alright. Man. Takes too long. What is going... Oh, it didn't work. Yo, what the hell's wrong with this shit? Oh, wow. Ah, right in the head. Huh, that was weird. How come it didn't work the first time? Damn it, I missed. Ah, right on the noggin. Keep missing. Ah. Alright, hold on a second. How come I... Oh, stack this on. I realized something like terrible. I'm totally gonna redo all this logic. But there's some kind of real big performance hit somewhere. I can't tell when it happens though. Alright. Stat unit. Oops. It happened again, but I don't know what that could have been. What's up, Ramen Sensei? What's up, Christ? Baby? With baby? With sixes? What is up? Boom. I haven't done this in like forever. Don't really usually care too much. Outbreak. Boom. Alright. Well, that was terrible, but no, I'm good. I'm glad my past few days' work is okay working. I don't know what the hell's going on. So just a refresher. Thanks for the follow. Just a refresher. I'm talking through my headset mic. I should be talking through my Yeti. I always say I need to connect it. I always forget though. The old way to the rifle range was this thing, right? How did it know it was... Well, before, it didn't even know, right? Like, I don't even know how you could have... I don't think you could have. But... I think it must keep this... Oh, there's something seriously lagging. Anyways, so... I don't know. Can't tell how this thing works. Not sure why it's not working. It was working, I thought, before. But, then you would just press this. Then some shit would happen. But it didn't give me a damn weapon. Hold on. Like, this should not be broken, but it's totally broken. Why is this broken? Why? How do I ungroup? Square distance shift G. Why does this thing keep resetting itself? Alright. Now I fixed the old way. Okay, back to the old way. Back to the old way. What the hell? So the old way was something like this. Some weird shit. Oh, I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, so I don't know what the fuck. But this is the only weapon I ever was able to get the old way. For whatever reason, this is the only fucking weapon that does damage. Which, oh my god. I'm assuming has something to do with what the fuck. Ah, shit. Damn it. In my way. Oh man. We got some really bad spikes though. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah. Alright, so I sucked at the very end. I don't like that. Anyway. I just want something that blow up some stuff. I want a AK. Yo, there's something totally missing here. Where is the someone tell me how to use this one. Damn it. Yeah. For some reason I feel like there's something missing on this one. But well, yeah, I don't know what's up with these. Damn it, already missed the thing. Oh yeah, that's shit. Ugh! Yeah, but oops, missed that one. Damn. I don't know what's up with the bullshit magazine rounds. The rail there is the slide. That rail? Nah, I don't know. There's a bunch of errors here. This firing range. I'll have to look. Wait, was this a bow? Will you give us a bow? What bow? Yeah, you can get a bow. You can get the, oh, you know what? Do we have the other one? We might have a different bow, but I don't think. I don't know if that other bow is working. We have a different bow. I don't know what the status of that bow is though. Holy shit. Why is bow? All these animations. What? I don't know why bow is different like that. I don't know what the bow's name. Let's see. Compound bow? What's it called here though? Oh. I don't know where the bow went. Oh, we're in art, that's why. Compound bow. I don't know if this is working or not. Maybe Alex spent some time on it. Get grip and controller now. Found some shit. Let's delete all that. You can give a subscription. Yes, you can. Cry baby. You sure can. Amazon Prime members can give subscriptions for free once a month. You did free roam today? Yeah, free roam. I spend a little bit more and more time later as time goes on. Free roam's gonna get really big. Like it's gonna be pretty damn big. Little by little, it's gonna get better too. What was I doing? Compound bow. I don't know where the hell that was. Where is the standing at? Find. Oh, okay. I don't know if it works or not, so I gotta look and see if this thing works. Bow. I need arrows. What kind of arrows does this thing take? Not my blueprint. Not my blueprint. So, arrow. What kind of arrow? Arrow, actor, BP, ammo. Okay. Ammo? Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Not sure, but I want the grenade probably better. Alright. Excuse me. Shit. Alright. We're gonna test this arrow, but I don't know if we're gonna have this in here. Yeah, I don't see why not, but can't remember how this shit worked. Handicapped friends and kill them with the options. There's gonna be more options too for accessibility and a whole bunch of other stuff. So this is myself. Give him my free sub so I Crybaby. You can I don't know. If you click on the screen, if you click on my beautiful face on your monitor, something should pop up. It'll say something like free sub ready or something like that. Just hover over my beautiful face. It'll say free sub ready. Just click on that. Whew, okay, so let's see if this thing gonna work. Oh, I need to fix these controls too. Shit. Well, something's wrong with this thing. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, well, we're just gonna ignore the hand, because I don't know why that thing's messed up. Alright. I don't have anything. Just give me something that doesn't matter. Oh, shit, I clicked too many times. Well, that's not even what I wanted to do. I don't like that, actually. Damn. Nah, I should totally be grip. I think I see why he did it that way. I don't think I like it like that. Oh. This works better than the crossbow though. Ah shit, I totally missed that. So much shit floated. It's not very satisfying when they don't die. Are we done? Maybe I just gotta hit that shit twice or something. Boom. Very much. Thank you very much for subscribe. Thank you for subscribing there, cry baby. Cry, cry, cry. Well, I forgot what's up with the grip, but all right. I'll add this, but what's up with the grip? Ah, skeletal mesh. Shit. Never mind. Sadly, I won't be able to add this just yet. All logic right now for inventory is based off this SM groupable logic, not SK groupable. This is the only SK, huh? Man, I wonder if we can fake this though. Let me see what he did. Let me think about what he did. If he made this part SM, and then he just made this part like a SK. I could get it in there faster. Alright, back to what I was doing now. So none in the rifle range. Ugh, now I gotta get rid of all this crap. Gun rack behind you, is that even a gun rack? What? This thing here? Or are you talking about this? Well, there used to be a lot of weapons here, but they're not going to be there anymore. I'm going to use this area as leaderboards. Which reminds me, in the future, they will come out. Yeah, no. They'll try to keep everything really simple here. And easier to manage here. Anything you want will spawn. There will be a free thing here, and then along the wall is basically just going to be, well, I don't know, however many leaderboards I'm going to do. Your gun's on there? Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this. It's not supposed to stay. Like, we have no logic telling them to stay on these boards, so I don't know. Actually, I have no idea. I don't know why they're sticking to it. That's the reason why I got rid of them in the first place, because they were sticking to them. Like, if you let go of your weapon, they would just, like, it was like a magnet. But we don't have any logic. It's not even a blueprint. It's a static mesh actor, and somehow they're just magnetically inclined to go that way. It's really, really weird. Could just delete them though. Fancy. Big gun wall. I see. A gun wall. So you really want a gun wall? You really, really, really want a gun wall? I would do it in the apartment. I don't know. That's a good question. That's a good thing to think about. I'd have to really like. That's something I would have to actually do though. Alright, so I didn't want to do too much here. The firing range master. Yeah, I don't like how this is set up at all. I'm trying to do the very little as I can here. Init rounds data. Nope. How do I damage these fools? Yeah, I don't like how this is set up at all. And I don't know what's eating up my performance. If it's gotta be Streamlabs. It's just funny because Streamlabs says that they optimize the shit out of their thing, but I don't think they did. Oh, what the heck is going on here? Damage. Check weapon. Allow damage. Yeah, well, I don't care about that. There's so much shit I have to do then. I don't feel like doing that. That's gonna be stupid. Come on. Oh, yeah, you did cry. Good job. Yeah, it worked, cry baby. It worked. Good job. Thanks. I really appreciate it. You annoying you in Discord? Cry baby. I don't know who you are though. What are you talking about? You annoy me in Discord. I don't think there's no crybaby inside Discord. the hell? No, there's not. Who are you, Cryberry? In Discord. Like, I have no idea who you are. Crybaby. Is it Kairachu, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, it's gotta be, right? Because Ramen Sensei is the other one. I don't know. Anyways. Alright, so this... point damage? No. Why is this even point damage? Alright, cool. Event any damage. Damage! Alright, delete that. Oops, sorry. Delete that, delete that, delete that. Ugh. What's this purpose of this for? Get player control, get control. What's the for though? It's always gonna be the what? Delete you, delete you. Not sure if non-player damage is really worth worrying about. No, delete that. Why? Like, what the hell? Check hit. Is that really how you do it? What? Alright. Too complicated here. I got... Alright, take care, Ramen. Appreciate you joining. Target. Check hit. What? Shit. Alright, well now... I've got to see, I've got to see. Damn, there's so many targets? I don't get it. Why is there... so confused. Okay, let me think here. Woosha. Woosha. Alright. Well. People would be pissed off because this chain ain't gonna be accurate. What? Why is this so complicated? Alright, let me think here. Alright, for the first one, don't give a shit about that either. I'm gonna have to redo this anyway. So, uses health. Okay. I need to do custom. I need to export the models, cut them, and then use CCX and use the custom collisions on them. I think that's probably the best way to do it. Yeah, I think so. Alright, let's see now. Should be able to blow stuff up now. Boom, boom. Start. Free. Confirm. Alright, so I gotta make sure. That looks really weird. Fuck These things are not taking damage still. What is all this shit anyway? Target successfully downed. Yeah, bitch, so why don't you die? Kit number 8. I don't know what the hell is this. Who is this? Who is this? Hey, but there's no fucking array here. What the hell? Why is this set up like this? Alright. Just need to get it working for now. Just need to get it working for now. Let's move you over here so I can. Just need to get you working for now. You should be working just fine here. Oops. Shit. That's not gonna do it. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Still doesn't make sense why those damn weapons aren't. Why not getting help? Getting damage. Oh, shit. Yo. You're still. What is number 8, dude? Like, where are you getting 8 from? Damn it. Ugh. Yeah. Looks like you have 8. What the fuck? dude. Why is there even... He's only getting called once, right? Mess. Get why. There'd be any. Looks like there's more than that. Overly complicated for no reason. Yes, at this time I just don't care. Boom for now. Until I redo it all. Blah 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 blah. What's up, all the people in Twitch and Stream or Steam and wherever else? Actually, I still haven't been able to kill anything, huh? Shit, wrong way. I need to redo that. Dude, that shit is ridiculous. Alright. This thing is still fucked up, huh? Activate target mode? What is activate target mode? Make sure they're all turned off. Yeah, okay. Well, I actually don't care. It's that one. Well, make this easier to do. They just gotta move around and blow up. Move around, blow up. I'm concerned. What the fuck? I don't want to look at that either. Oh, zombies. Zombies! Teach me, Obi-Wan Kenobi's. Show me the money. Event any damage.
Dude, this is like fun. Alright, let's see what you got going on here. Yo, asshole. Should totally be. And why are you not taking any damage at all? The fuck? I was hoping this thing would get activated. It's not. Oh, there it goes, asshole. Alright. You totally bit the billet here. Alright, son. Points. Okay, whatever. Don't really care about that. Set health. Current value is 100. What? Oh. Stop. Alright. Stupid. Alright. For now, don't care. I see why now. What's going on with this compile now? I need to clean this up. I mean, like, throw it away. All of it. And I will do that later. What? Lucifer. I scored 80. Thank you very much for the follow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ugh. Oof. Alright. I don't know. Maybe? Make any scores there? Oh. Score 0, that's right. Hold on a second. This is so stupid. Why is this like points? 50. Every time they die. 50 fucking points. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-bum. SMG, umpire, 45. Hit me up. Damn it. Ah, I'm getting points. I'm getting points every time I hit it. Alright, hold on a minute. Why? I mean, whatever, I guess. I don't matter. Shit. Got my bullets. Ah! Sitting down is troubling. Alright, there we go. Hold on, how many bullets do I have in here? I have 5? Man, did that break again? I don't even know how that. Oops. Shit. I gotta look into the magazine stuff again. Wow. Ugh. Anyway. So yeah, I plan on doing a full gut and redoing of the shooting range, but I just don't have the time. I got other stuff I want to work on. So I don't care how it works right now. It just needs to work. Local try target. Find a random target. Check if active. If active, activate and then return. Local chart is active. If not, where the hell are you getting this shit from? Local targets. Oh, excuse me. I kind of don't understand why we're getting nuns though. I don't get where the nuns are coming from. However, because I don't care right now. Active and is valid. Do that. If not, do that. Just take care of a couple more random bugs. Fool we get. Fool we yeah. Fool we up. Alright, back to this. I'll play with the crossbow, why not? Oops, I got 2 of them. Alright, I'm gonna remove those fucking things. That thing was like really annoying now. Oof, right in the face. No, oof, right in the face. Am I getting points for that? I ain't getting points for that. Damn it, I missed. Oh my god. You shit, not good. Go that way. Actually, I don't even know why I have auto lift on. Usually I don't. Damn it, I'm missing again, dude. Ah! That was so fail. Why am I so bad? Oh, right in the eye. Shit. Oh, come back here. Oh, right in the cheek. Man, this is like exercise right here. Oh shit, where'd it... Oh god. I know why, but that was annoying. Holy shit, there's so much stuff. First off, delete you. I don't even know what to delete. Fuck that shit. Oh, oh, oh. What is this? That's weird. Jedi! I know why. I get it. One of those things that dropped automatically. Jedi! Let's see, it's just none trying to read property. Continuing. Reset Jedi up, Jedi. On player. Alright, just do that if that's the fucking thing. Whatever. I haven't seen a warning for Jedi. I call it Jedi up, but whatever. What's up, Don Damon? Greets Dare. You developing this game? Yes. I mean, is that like, was that a question or was that a statement? Me and 6 letters, I think. 5 letters? Where is all this coming from? Oh, that's weird. I mean, I guess if you're... Oh, shit. I don't know why this wouldn't be valid, but okay. It should be valid though. Whoop whoop, thanks for the foul, Don Damien. Shit. Do a lot of ammo. Just for saying my name right. Alright. I appreciate that. Do people get your... Oh, look at... We got Haul Up Guard over on Steam. What's up? How you doing? See if I get the... I can show you all the weird... Let me see. La, la, la. Alright. And then... Guess something like that. Message. Can you all read that down there? I don't know if you can. That's pretty big though. Alright, there we go. I'll leave it down there for now. It's not a big deal. Okay, okay. Working on some bugs. This, I don't know, the more I work on this, seems like the more buggy it's going. Let's see what's going on here. Alright. all messed up there. The not Nerf gun. Oh, that doesn't do any damage though. It used to spit out more ammo too. I gotta figure that one out. Damn. Gotta figure out the ammo situation though. 950 points. Ugh. Alright. What is this error? Local target try. Oh my god, this thing again? What's up, Blood Siren? You're hoping the text would show up on spread? No, I think it's just white. Oh, white. What is this fucking error, dude? Look at none from local try. Find target to activate. Find target. Yeah. I mean. So stupid. Actually, I don't care about this actually. Okay. If not, shuffle again. I don't know what he was thinking. Now I have to make it even more complicated. But this was Alright, here we go. First day off in 2 weeks? 2 weeks. What are you doing today on your day off, outside? Don Damon, can't wait to get my hands on a VR headset and play this game. Love the 2D version. Oh yeah? Nice, very nice, very nice. When are you gonna get a headset? Oh shit, that's always weird. Don't have a sniper, by the way. I do have melee, but I don't think that was working. People keep having problems with the shotgun. Might as well. Oh my god. What happened to the, oh. That's really weird. Why is it all over here? Ah, just got booted. Something just happened. Oh my god, this thing, I swear, this thing. This thing is so stupid. You know what? What's this do actually? That's fine. To be honest, don't even care. I don't know what he does after that, but I'm hoping he does something smart on not success. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Oh, Steam went bye-bye for some reason. My bad, whoever was talking to me in Steam. I'm coming back. I didn't realize it was gone. If you're over there on Steam, all 8 people over there, say what's up! You all want your names in the game? Now's the time to do it. Oh, I'm thinking about names for guns. Oh, you know what? Where are my damn gun? Where's it? Why the ammo? Why no ammo? Got 300 points though. What's up, bitches? 450. I don't know how much. Probably don't have that much left. Nope, it's gone. 500. Boo. Ugh. Alright. You're not doing anything, so you're loving it. You got friends though, Damon? Good, good, good. Alright, now. I'm sort of hacking the old way of doing it, right? I don't know why this new way, this interface that I'm doing is messing up the damn whole thing. Or actually, well, he probably never tested it with more other weapons other than the damn Glock, so that's the problem. As far as I can tell. So there might be an issue. Where the fuck is the spawn ammo? What is ammo to spawn? Alright, well, hold on a second here. See, this is really silly. Like, I don't like. What is going on here? What is that Luger? Shit, weapon selection. What was that? Pistol. I called it. It's the Gruber, right? The Gruber. Gruber. You take. What does it say? Clock. Alright, I need to figure something out here. Oh, you take 22? Do we even have 22? Oh my god, hold on a second. Now I gotta go back. Da 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 da. He doesn't even have. Yeah, he doesn't even have one here. So for 22, and one box 22, and one box 22. We don't have fucking 22 for some reason. Fail. That's weird. 22 cal. I swear we had 22. Yeah, there it is right there. Yeah. Well, that's annoying. So we don't have a fucking box. Ugh. I don't even feel like doing that. I'll be honest, I don't really feel like doing it at all. What the fuck, dude? Why is there no box for it? I lied. Alright, I'm just gonna do it right now. For some reason, I thought we had another 22 somewhere, but guess not. Go to the Gruber since I'm gonna do you over there. Said he would add in names. Well, that's what I responded to. What? You didn't test it with all the weapons, Alex. Maybe all the weapons inside the in the game currently, or the yeah. Did you test it with the Gruber? Because I just tested it. You don't even have 22 ammo in your logic. Where's the fucking 22 ammo? Where is it? Come on, think. I can see you. Where are you? Set up. Nope. Set up. Yo. Ah, there it is right there. Ammo. 22. Alright, so we've got ammo to spawn. 22 cal. I don't know. What the fuck does it say on the box? 22 cal. Closed. How many's in the damn box? Oh no, I can't see it. Oh god, unreal. Please help me. Whatever, I'll just put fucking 50. It doesn't even matter. Huh? I just told you, you don't even have 22 caliber in your logic. There's not even a 22 ammo box done. Wherever that is, I don't even know where the hell that is anymore. See, I just put, I'm making a 22 caliber box right now. But yeah, this needs a. Later when I get more time, it's gonna get all completely gutted anyway. What? Yeah, but that doesn't help anybody if your logic doesn't work. 32. All right, so what is the 32? Let me see what you got going on here, cause I already forgot. Maybe I should have one. Ammo rounds 15. No, okay, yeah. So 22 caliber. Let's just do 50 of you. Should do it now. And once the public can see how hard it is to make a game the right way. If you ever tune into my streams, well, they've been kind of lame lately, but before, yeah, before. Alright. So now let's see if the Goober is that with the ammo. Let's go with the ammo. Burn. Yay! We've got the ammo! Oh, something's wrong there. It doesn't have a grip. Shit. Never remember to fix that. Boom, bitches, get wrecked in the head. Alright, good. We're getting there. Wow, that's why I need to fix that. That shit's annoying. Alright. That fixes the Gruber's ammo. What else needs to get fixed? Damage on the silhouettes. Damage on silhouettes. Nope, that's enough for me. Okay. They're doing damage, they're doing damage. That's right, that's what I need to do. How often do these spawn? Why don't they spawn? Spawn. Spawn. Spawn, spawn, spawn. Spawn. What the fuck, man? Okay. That's that. That. I don't know. Solo. I'm not doing a solo. I'm not doing a solo. There are other people on the team. They all do different things. Alright, so all I care about right now for this to work is... Oh, you know what? That's what I care about. Don't care about how many of us are writing the code. I'm probably the one doing the most varied work. But there's Alex, who did this shooting range logic, which is actually going to get completely gutted, but he did do it initially. It's like there's too much going on for no reason. There's Lawrence. He does AI. He does all the AI work. So, and then there's Paul. He does all the animations. There's Brian. He does Y stuff. The audio stuff. And there's Jason. He does level design. Level design stuff. So he does all the getting all the level looking however he wants the flow. Alright, so what do I want? Actually, you know what? I don't care about this right now either. So when you get hit, I don't even know, but I'm just gonna kill you. 1,000 health. Alright, so this should work. Okay, I don't have to do anything for now. Yeah. Alright, so now let me look at something real quick. Well, they should all go down after one hit. Do I even get shotgun rounds? Oh my god, it fell down. Hurry up. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Need to figure out how to get more ammo. You're so far away. Ah, didn't go in. Ah, you should totally be dead. Why aren't you getting dead? Oh my god. Why does it sound like they're dropping? Ah, what's wrong with this shit? Oh, not again. Alright. I need to fix these damn shotguns. But I do remember if I ejected the shotgun, then they worked. Alright, hold on a second. Why are the shotguns not blowing up the zombies? Oh my god. It's so annoying. Any damage? Oh, I don't even care. Use health. Don't care about that. Give me a score. Ah, new health is 0. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Thought it was doing damage. Set health, set health, set health. Da 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 da. There. Let's do that one. Hang on. I need to move that thing. That's gonna piss off so many people. Oh. Boom, bitch. Alright, now everything's working like it should work. Bitches, get wrecked. Ah, shit. Boom. Man, I'm lagging. I don't know what's causing lag, but it goes from the bottom. It goes from the bottom. You need to remember that. So slow. Ah! Didn't do enough damage. What the fuck? That's it. Alright. Want to do the same thing? That's not gonna make sense, so. Let's try something else. Grenade. Ah! Why is grenade not working? Axe. Confirm. Confirm. I know why. Because he only has it for firearms, I think. Okay, so I gotta worry about that later then. Shit! In the redo, I shall do it. How do I do that? I don't know. Yeah, I missed. Ugh, 3 shots. Why does it lag? Every time this guy moves, one of these guys move. There's a lot of lag going on here. It's gone! No more! What I didn't think about is how much ammo I might have on me. If I grab this. Do I have ammo? Oh, I do, see. I gotta fix that later, too. I gotta fix it. I gotta fix it. So much ammo. Everybody's getting like so much free ammo. They are so lucky. Oh shit, that's not ammo. Actually, you know what? Doesn't matter. Jungle style. Like, I feel like I'm off on this one. Nope. Missed it. Missed it, missed it, missed it. Alright. They were good enough. They were good enough. Let's see what you got going on here. Oh, there's so many errors still. Magazine trigger. Activate target mode. Activate target mode. I don't know what that means. Don't care. Zoom in. If it's only valid, I just care about it. Now. Is that relevant actor? What is going on here? Not a none. Just a different one. If you destroy actor, set actor, care magazine. I am curious, where are you getting called from? I don't want to do that actually. I'll come back to you later. Target mode. Okay. Target mode, target mode, target mode. Oh. Star, free mode. Fuck, I'm mad. Give me a Mac Daddy. Oh, I need more though. Give me more. Actually, it doesn't matter right now. Nah, I want more. I want another one. Why the ammo is like all whack? Getting a score though. Don't get a score anymore though. Oh, I wonder why. I don't care. Anyways, stat. Alright. Now, if I get rid of all this old stuff, actually, I'm not even gonna touch it because I don't even know what the hell happens if they don't break. You go up for a little while. You stay right there because I don't know what happens actually if you die. This should go with it too. That goes right there. And I don't know what the hell this was going on there. I'll just put it over here, why not? You can fix that shit later. Delete that. What's this? What's this? Alright, good. Okay. It's good enough for now. I'm okay with it. Man, it's supposed to be 50 points. Why not? Why don't you do 50 points? What's up, Crazy Blaze Live? I love how this is looking. What? You seem like a new face, though. I've never seen you before. Have you played the game yet? Ugh. Scrum time now. Y'all can hear. Well, there's very little bitching anymore, but you can hear.
In codes anymore?
Well, no, okay, so that's right. One of the things with the codes is if you're inside
Thank
an
you
editor,
for
if
the
it isn't
follow.
a build, it bypasses the code entry. And if you are in a build, you put in the code entry once and it saves that until you change levels. So that's one
Cool.
thing I've changed.
That's
But
good.
there's certain things in there. So you can see
GDM?
the bottom two are WY's
I'm on
profile
GDM.
start and stop. The next line up from the bottom is WY's
Is that how you
debug output, start, stop,
GDM.
and mark. And I haven't actually tried using these. I just basically looked through the documentation and put the functionality in, and they still need to be tried.
Hello.
Yeah.
What did they look like jumping over the fucking car? I need to see what they actually look like.
I can do a more zoomed in one. Hold on.
Hold up. Let me see.
I can do a more zoomed in one.
Yeah,
Technically, it's a modified Kong vault. So, because I was like, yeah, this is a result of our me and Paul's discussion of me like trying to advise how it would be possible to vault over a car for a human, and that's the vault I chose to do it, and then he zombified it, so they kind of like they Kong to face plant.
Right.
All right, come on, where's my player gone? Where my player at? There we
go.
Hello. That gift looks amazing.
Oh yeah, there we go. Got a nice one there. Oh cool, man. Yeah, that's what we've been up to. This is all like basically all the code frameworks finished. I did a load of polishing today. It's all categorized and tool tipped, and like everything's ready to be done.
Ready to be done.
Derbs.
All right, let's go ahead and get shit started.
That's what the car looks like closer up.
Cool. So we looked into streaming media. We looked into voice starvation. We're not seeming to run into either of these issues. It seems to be somehow latency issued. I've contacted Audio Kinetic, waiting on a reply. Hopefully we'll delve into it deeper. I am still a little surprised that we ran into this issue now and not in the past. So
I'm not.
Yeah. Like I said, the only thing I can think of is
Wait,
that we might need to look at the Zybase character and see if there's something unique going on that might
Crazy Blaze Live. You need to
like,
tell everybody to come over here then.
Sure.
So we might need to look at that, Lawrence, to see if there's something specific. Because I know you're noticing mostly with the zombie voice.
Mostly with the zombies, also with the swishy
daily.
weapons, and but even the clunkingness of the weapons as well. Yeah, just a few things. We totally, yeah, absolutely. As you say, we'll do an investigation.
I feel if we could at least focus on one thing that's clear,
no, that's it.
We might unlock the secret to all of it.
Oh, the secret to the universe.
Otherwise, I mean, one of the other things you're going to need to do is just update Wise and hope for the best.
For sure.
Because that's one of the things we did not test out was we did update Wise after our multiplayer testing and never got back to it. So are we going to activate I know it sounds stupid, but it was brought up before, Bunkered, to see if we're noticing any other multiplayer
it's
maps.
In the cheat menu. If you look at the cheat menu, it is the option.
That's right.
Yeah, it's on the right somewhere up. I need to get back to that thing, but it's
right.
Host bunker will do exactly what the button says.
And I'm really hoping I don't have to replace the goddamn Oculus cable, but I should know this weekend. So
for sure.
For sure. All right, Alex.
Sounds like.
So I went through and I tackled a couple of bugs that were technically assigned to Jason, but they weren't really level design stuff. The doors in God, what's the level we were just talking about? That Dust Bowl for the crates now block teleport properly. I had to add a manual blocking volume that gets destroyed when the doors get open, because those doors just wouldn't do it for whatever reason. I also changed the doors collisions.
You're talking about like throwing shit through it?
No, you could teleport through the doors before.
Oh,
you could straight up just like, you couldn't walk through them. It would block if you walked, but you could just teleport through. Yeah.
Gotcha.
But I also fixed throwing stuff through it, so you can't throw items through them anymore.
That's good.
Because
even though I was doing it, it still pissed me off.
Yeah, no. I mean, I don't know why that wasn't fixed a while ago. It was just one of those low-level bugs that never got around to getting changed, I guess. But that's working better now.
Right.
I also changed the car crash sequence in SP City, so it actually, at the very, on begin play for the level blueprint, it actually starts and then pauses that sequence, like, immediately. So it, like, you know, sort of
it's not in place, right.
Yeah, so now when you peek your head over the edge, you won't actually catch a glimpse of it, like, you know, post crash, because that's the way it actually is.
Yeah, so that was something that bothered me a lot. I'm glad.
Yeah, like I'm not sure like if that's the best way to solve that. We probably ideally should have made like the start of the sequence a little bit longer, but I didn't want to screw with any of that stuff, and this worked perfectly fine. So that's the way it's going to be for now, unless something better comes along. I did notice though, and this isn't something that's unique to SP City, I don't think, but when the level starts, it plays every single Wise actor that's placed in the level. Like all the audio for all that stuff just plays when the level starts for the first time, and I'm not sure what's triggering that. It didn't used to do that, and it's not anything that I did, because I reverted all my changes because I thought maybe I screwed something up. What I noticed
what you mean.
So there's the car crash audio, right?
Yeah.
That plays when the sequence goes off, that plays when the level starts, and that got me thinking, because I thought maybe I screwed something up with the sequence, but it actually doesn't have anything to do with the sequencer event itself. They're played just like right along each other. But there's some dialogue audio for the soldiers and stuff that all gets played like when the level starts. All that audio is triggered. It all plays at the same time. You can't hear it from the start because you're way far away from it.
Well, that's odd, because I tested it when I set it up to see if that shit was happening, because it was a concern of mine in the past, and it wasn't.
Well, it wasn't happening at some point in the past, because I know that wasn't happening. I noticed it today. I don't know what changed, but
not only that, but it shouldn't play anything, because for the first 3 seconds there is no bank. It has no audio to pull from.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't think it's just SP City, although I didn't do a whole lot of investigation, because as soon as I realized it wasn't my fault, I kind of moved on.
Well, one way to find out is play SP Start, because all of that, the car sequence and all that shit shouldn't play right away either.
Yeah, well, like most of the player won't hear all that stuff. The player would only hear anything that's like in the room with them, right? So as long as there's nothing in there.
Oh, that's what I was referring to. Yeah.
Well, I just mean like if you simulate it and the camera's out there near one of those things, you can hear the sound play, and it probably isn't a big deal, but I mean, it's just something to be aware of, I guess.
Okay.
And that might have problems for multiplayer if it's happening in multiplayer. I don't know. I bring it up because I didn't know what was causing it.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. I'm not sure if it's a big deal.
Well, we'll have to look into it, because I mean, at the very least, if we have any early load crashes,
yeah, all that stuff playing at the same time might be a shock to the system. I also worked on the scripting for Vacancy. The zombie, you can now trigger the door, he punches you, and well, we're streaming, so I don't know if I should spoil or anything, but things happen. It's working.
All right, Mike.
Still messing with some Contagion stuff, but I think it's finalized at this point. And then that blog.
Right.
I'm just gonna pull that up now.
Blogs.
All right, Lawrence.
Yeah, cool. Okay, so yeah, just basically I managed to actually get through and do all the polishing I need to do for the runner zombie. Is complete now. There's a couple of little things Paul needs to look back and do, but it's all been tooltipped, categorized. The sequence wave tree's done. All my print strings are done. Fixed the momentum framework and the idle stuff, and loads more options to specify variants. Made it work on multiplayer. And fixed the double exec rollback and all of that stuff. So basically, it's done. That's it. It's Gucci.
Nice.
It looks rather cool, in my opinion, at least. So
yeah, that does look good, man.
So yeah, we can start putting that's actually like ready now. There's a couple of little like I've reported them to Paul. He knows what to look for, but other than that, it's ready for prime time.
Just give me a few hours. I'll get those bugs nailed and then it's ready.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, we can start testing it with people now. We can just like put some in the like wherever you want really, and see what the players think.
Good shit.
But yeah, if you want to do the jump links, like to just use them normally, that's fine. To use the jump links, I'm going to have to explain the first time. Like Paul picked up really quickly. I explained it to him last night while we were doing the testing. Like 20 minutes is all it takes. So yeah, anyone who wants to be able to do jump links, I just need to sit down with them and we can just do it together. And after you've done it once, then it all makes sense. It's just that there's a lot of options and you need to know which ones to use.
Right. All right, Paul.
Yeah, I was doing the runner zombie thing yesterday, crafted all that. Crafted new run cycles, so now he has 4 different ways of running, like broken variations. Now, like when they switch it mid movement as well, it may generate variables midway. So like they look quite diverse now, way much better. Like I like it personally myself, and I'll keep it as a final version right now. And added support for different height vaulting, especially like we noticed when we started doing framework, when we wanted them to jump and traverse over obstacles which were not as high as the car, like boxes and crates and stuff like that, or whatever. Yeah, they were clipping through floor a bit, so I created a framework to allow it the vaulting of any height right now. And Lawrence created a height curve adjustments as well, so now we can pretty much script them up to let you traverse any obstacle in the game, unless it's 7 meters high, then it'll look a bit broken. But other than that,
Right.
Yeah, it will look. They can traverse anything.
It's a power
there might be some distance lacking. Like if an object is like insanely long, like my best is like if he wants to traverse the car horizontally, it might get stuck in the car's collision. So if we want to do that, then we'll need to add a bit additional animation frame of that. But other than that, they can scale literally anything, and they're unstoppable force right now.
Well, sounds like Jason got what he wanted.
Yay.
Hopefully.
Well, if you look at the GIFs, is that exactly what you want, or is there anything you want to add?
It looks great. It looks really good.
Right. So that's it. That's us.
Alex, I had a quick question for you. In SP City, a lot of the player dialogue that triggers with that goes back and forth with the soldier dialogue.
Yeah.
That's all placed where you spawn. Are you hearing that play too?
Placed where you spawn.
Well, it's 2D, but it's placed in the spawn location of SP City.
No.
So that's weird.
Well,
why the fuck would it pick and choose?
Because you can't actually see it. Why it might play 2D, but why it won't play anything that's being occluded?
It's right there with you. It's literally in the same area.
But the actor isn't. The actor is over where the soldiers are.
What actor?
The actor that the AK component actor. The thing that plays the audio in the engine.
I have it pointing to the low.
Here, I'll show you when we're done. I'll show you what I do.
We're done. Yeah, you're right. All right, sorry about that. Jason, go.
More work inside vacancy, and I'll put a lot of emphasis on rewriting and finalizing scripts for vacancy as well. So that's all fleshed out.
Fantastic.
Need to go over that sometime today, probably with Alex and yourself, probably.
Okay, I need to make a run after the meeting. Afterwards, I'll sit down and we'll do that.
Yeah, I just need to at some point sit down with you this weekend, and we can talk about piecing together all the gameplay elements for the gas station gameplay sequence.
Good shit.
So I can start supporting that. Yeah. That's about it.
All right. Victor. Victor.
I just been messing around with the shooting range, getting that all set up.
How's that feeling?
I ran into a lot of issues, but I got them all fixed now. It's working. I mean, you could go in there, choose whatever rifle, or actually whatever weapon. Right now, it's only firearms because it's hard coded in Alex's logic. But right now, but later when I redo everything, you're gonna be able to do grenades and melee weapons also.
Well,
and a
that's
few
good
other
to hear
things.
because I
So
know
you can
grenades.
practice. Yeah, you can practice. So I want everybody to be able to jump in there and use it like practice, so they can practice whatever they want to do.
Exactly.
So
Because I mean, that's one of the big issues with grenades I had. Is like, do I even want to try using this thing? Because it's not working the way I want, but I want to learn, But yeah, so I think that's a brilliant idea.
yeah, so I mean, it's coming together anyway. There's some, I'm not sure what, there's some aesthetics that need to get straightened out. Originally I had planned to do every weapon's like image basically like as an icon and stuff like that, and I still might do that. Right now it's just like a little button with the name on it, but and then on to the right, which isn't implemented yet, but is where all the information for the weapon. So like when they hover over the weapon icon, it's gonna show up like the stats for the weapon on the right side, and then after that they can choose whatever they want and confirm, and then they can start their game mode. So it should be a little bit. It should be a lot easier um, to get in there and do whatever you want for the shooting range.
Okay.
Yep, that's it. That's me.
All right. I will be sitting down with Alex and Jason after I get back this weekend. We'll finalize the gas station gameplay. I'm excited for that. I will still be like digging into this over the weekend. The audio issues we have in multiplayer. If I come across anything that fixes it, yay. Otherwise, I'm hoping to hear back from Audio Connect early next week. Other than that, did anybody else want to sit down with me and discuss anything? Or anybody else? All right.
Now the only thing I got is I'm probably gonna, if I'll go play a couple rounds and see if I can get some playtesters in there, and if it looks pretty good, then I'm gonna go ahead and push update 4 to beta, and then hopefully we can get update 4 released by next Friday.
All right, sounds good.
Boom, boom.
Nice. That'll be good.
All right. Well, I will talk to you guys in a bit. Jason and Alex, I'll let you know when I get back.
All right. Sounds good.
All right. Catch you later.
Cool.
Nice. Have a great weekend, chaps.
Yeah, good weekend.
Oh, that's what happens when you mute your mic by accident. So you played a demo and you liked it, huh? You dug it? You dug it? Did you buy the game? Oh man. I was saying, I wish I could change this color, but transparency. Let me see. Alright, that should be better. Maybe people can read the chat a little bit better. Should just get the overlay, huh? Oh yeah. See, the thing is, I have Streamlabs on. Streamlabs OBS. Slobs. I need to figure out if Restream has a plugin for this or not. Oh, there it is. URL for browsing plugin. It's so funny. There we go. I'll have to do that later, I guess. I don't think I can do it right now. Good to go. Oh, buy it right now? Bet. I'll buy it right now, bet. What? No, if you buy it, I'll let you become a playtester. How about that? Easy peasy. Everybody can be a playtester. They want to buy. Everyone can be a playtester. Just buy the game. Oh. All right. Let me see. I think
I got the basic functionality out of this damn thing. What was I just thinking about with the start thing? I don't like the start. The little start button looks stupid anyway. There's something I was thinking though. I don't remember. I don't think maybe take away the start thing. It's too many button presses. Shooting range. Does it matter? If I go to begin. What's up, Don Damien? How you doing? See, shoot down. Yeah, I don't like it. Never mind. I want you to be open. What's up, little Sarah Lee? How you doing? How are you doing? How are you all doing? Alright, trying to figure out what I want to do. What's better? Aesthetically, right? This is a problem. Oops, I don't have that straight right now. I don't have either this start or that start button, but I never liked that start button anyway. That start button should be begin, hidden. What's up, Heavy D? I'm doing good, little Sally, really. Yeah, Heavy D, I've been busy, and you have no idea. It's been crazy. It's been a little bit crazy. Alright, I think instead of the start, I'll just take it back to here. It doesn't matter. I wasn't going to do it, but now it feels like I feel like I should do it. Okay. So simulate is huge based in the new skin shader. What? The difference in that background, guys, is huge based in the new skin shader. What are you talking about? What background, guys? What skin shader? What? It don't make sense. I don't even know what you're talking about. Alright, so now we've got start over. I actually don't want to. This begin button actually doesn't do shit, so let's just remove you for now. Removed for now. Start over goes to mode selection. Still want to do the back tracing, which I should do. The dummy? Oh, you don't like the dummies? Or you do like the dummies? The dummies are OP. What are you talking about? I guess this is all I'm working on today, so might as well put a little bit more effort into it. But to be honest, I have other stuff I want to do. Game mode. free. Alright, this is a little bit better now. Now we have a thing. I don't have the stuff there, but that's okay. It's coming. Oh, that's what I needed to do. I will remember you in a second. Oh, I don't have enough. Oh, can I cheat like that? Oh, I don't even care. That's right. I don't even have it. Badum. Badum. Oops. Badum 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 badum. Right in the head. Right in the noggin. Right in the noggin. Aim cheater. Right in the noggin. Aim cheater. Aim cheater. Hacks. Hacks. Right in the mouth. Oh man. Game over. Yeah, I think that's fine. It's better. Peace out, man. Everybody has lots to do, right? For each game mode, do you need a separate game mode blueprint? Sarah Lee? No, not for this one anyway. Could you do it like that? I guess you could. No, actually, you wouldn't do it like that. It wouldn't even make sense. You'd have to reload the level. Can you reload? Can you do? Yeah, no. Nah, it's just well, the current logic. I don't even know because it's not even like my blueprints, right? All I was doing is redoing the interface for it. The next update, in update 5, I'm gonna get all the logic and redo it so that we can. It's easier to add different types of game modes, stuff like that. Because it's kind of like, there's only like there's variants of only like one, and they all do that shit. Well, I mean, you don't have to have a game mode blueprint though. You can just use a you can either use an active blueprint or UObject actually. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, UObject for you don't even need it. It's all data. All you need to do is write up the rules, right? You don't have to have like a game mode. I know I say game modes here, but for players, they don't usually correlate that with the UE4 development game modes, right? So so the logic will be split. It'll probably be in the same blueprint actually, to be honest with you. It probably won't be different. I'll have different graphs, and it'd be like, oh, okay. Then I'll just have another graph like that. But yeah, you don't necessarily, unless you were doing like the difference between this type of game mode and like a Call of Duty, well, I won't say Call of Duty, but like Deathmatch or Team Deathmatch or Capture the Flag game mode, is there's like a whole bunch of shit that changes, right? And technically, sure, there are going to be changes for each game mode inside there, but think about it like a scope method, right? So like a game mode for Unreal though is more like it changes like everything, right? You got the player pine, you got a whole bunch of other shit that changes, right? Or can change, just say, including like spawns and stuff like that. I don't have to worry about spawns or changing the player or changing the camera or a different game state or well, player state doesn't change. But random shit, right? That UE4 game mode does. So this is, you can think of it like a mini game mode, and you can just do it all in just one little blueprint, just like a game mode blueprint. But just make it either an active blueprint if you need to, for whatever reason, get access to it in the world. Which I don't need to. I could just construct the blueprint from this, or just get the active blueprint. But yeah, so you don't do different thing. If you're also, I'm like 99% sure you can't change your game mode in a level
in runtime. 99% sure. 99% sure. I don't even know how that would work. I would assume it would restart the whole level anyway, which is the only way you would change. You'd be able to change the game mode. When you open level, you can select the game mode through the options. Anyways, so right now, so that seemed to work fine. Then the other thing I wanted to do, which isn't a game mode, but kinda is not really. Let me think here. Well, I don't think I have a paper one here, do I? There's that paper one. What the hell? I don't know what he's doing. Are you doing anything special? Can you move? Oh, you can move. Eh. Oh, that's annoying. I thought I saw something else in here that I wanted to use. Was I gonna use this? I might have thought about using this already. Yeah, I don't like that this damn round thing is in the bottom though. Defeats my purpose of having a damn paper target. What's this target base? We don't even using this? I don't know what this is for. This is a target base. Do you put it inside of it? What the fuck? The round thing at the bottom? Yeah. I don't like that the round thing. But I need to do a special one for this thing. Oh, I'm trying to figure out how nifty. I saw something cool in a couple other VR games that had ranges. And I'm trying to think of how I want to do that. The first one is definitely going to be... Okay. Some random ass stuff going on here. I mean, technically, I guess I can just use this. It already has everything set up. Just change. Let me see if I can change it. Game mode, selection channel. I guess technically this is gonna be a different thing though. Paper target. Selection. TV. Can I just change it? I should just be able to change it. Widget. Okay, so I am going to be able to change it. Alright, good. I don't have to do much then. Alright. So this is the problem that I have now. I don't like how this shooting range is set up. I don't know. But the TVs are way better to interact with. They're just so much bigger. You can do... Let's pretend that there's a thing there. If anybody looks, sure we could figure out something. Alright. Da 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 da. Da da da. So that would be P underscore paper target. Paper target? Yeah, I guess so. For now. I should say selection. First thing is image. So really, it doesn't matter to me, the image. What the fuck happened there? Oh, wrong one. There we go. Da 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 da. Right now, it doesn't matter to me. If we do it back, damn it, this chat's killing me. Can I make this? Okay. It's still gonna be annoying, but I can do something about it later. Image, background. There. So my thing was, let me think here. I don't think I have any cool stuff in here that has numbers, right? There's a 0. This is a building number? What's this? Oh, it's a fucking mesh. It is a mesh. I don't have any textures, right? Except for these. Yeah, they work for now. I don't care. They work for now. I just need some placeholder stuff. That's all I care about today. Grid. And we're gonna have a whole bunch of images then. Too many numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. Right? So that means I don't need that one, and I don't need that one. Images. 0. Oh my god, where does it? I just had the. Damn it. Where did the zeros go? Number. Alright, good. Boom. 2. I think everybody probably already figured out what I'm doing here. Maybe. Does anybody know what I'm doing? 3. It looks really. I like red on black. I like red though. Red's my favorite color. So it's kind of, but at the same time, I did black and white on purpose for the game mode stuff because it felt gloomier and it felt like it would tie in better with the environment. But I don't know. Maybe we'll end up doing color later. Fuck it. Okay, so let's do that. That there. Hold on a second. It's gonna do it evenly. So where is that? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't like how this thing spaces it out too. 0 goes down here. 4. Oh, wrong one. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I don't know how you guys were planning on doing that whole safe combination thing, but you could probably just. Now that I think about it, Alex. But y'all can use this if you want. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Supposedly evenly. I don't know about evenly bullshit, but alright. That looks better though. This might be too close. Might have to do some padding here. 25. Maybe more. I don't know. Oh, you know what? I did all images, and that's not what I needed to do. Oh my fucking god! I need to do plants, not images. Fail. Delete all these. Let me at least do one of these then. Okay. Oh, these just happen to be the number. I should be able to get the numbers faster this way now. Da 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 da. What is everyone up to? There's 16 viewers on Steam. Man, I don't know. What is it? Why is everybody always here in the afternoon? Especially on Steam. It's like a crap ton of people. If y'all haven't played Contagion VR Outbreak, y'all should totally play Contagion VR Outbreak, the demo. It's free. Tell me what we can improve. I mean, technically, the current game in early access is like far ahead of the demo. I need to redo that demo. When I get it like a little break, which I don't know when it's gonna come, but one day I guess. 0, 2, 3. What the hell? 4, 5. Unreal. UMG, folks. Super simple. Well, depends on what you need to do, I guess. It's not that hard, though. Alright. Don't forget to join. Oh, I gotta do a deadlock too. Shit. No, I forgot. Let me do a deadlock. I don't even remember what I did this week. What did I do? What was this week? Ah, chat's in my way. Anything after the 12th. User Victor Burgos. Go. 12. That's probably okay. Da 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 da. Oops, I did a whole bunch of stuff, random stuff here. Victor, 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 Victor. Yeah, there we go. Oh, for sure, I'm gonna leave bug killing because I definitely did a shit ton of bug fixing today. So, this week, I focused on bugs. Starting off with multiplayer, making sure players can first find and join new games, as well as join them after they are done with one. I fixed that. What the hell? Okay. To locker menu can be let go. Nobody cares about that shit. Optimize the main menu a bit. That's a lot of unnecessary. Did I spell that right? That no one have noticed or cared about. Let's see. Joining using bin. Let's see. Toggle grips, zip lines. I don't even know. Nobody cares about that either. Toggle grips. Yeah. Fixed a whole bunch of free roam save issues. And also created a storage place for your gear, for the gear that's socketed on the player when free roam loaded. Why is the music like off or something? What the hell? Alright, anyway. That's inside the apartment bedroom where you will spawn in apartment. Whatever, doesn't matter, I guess. Let's see. Worked on the shooting range. I guess I'll call quote unquote shooting range. Future. And just but the first step was the player interaction. That's pretty much done. Currently tied to the bolt logic of the range. In update 5, that's when I'm going to go all ham in there and new game modes and add in leaderboards, other tidbits. Your board on missions, multiplayer game. Just blow off some steam inside the range. Yeah, I'll just call it the range. I don't know. I guess that's all I did. I don't know. Just random ass bugs. I want to talk about that. So you're mainly focused on buffets and start off with multiplayer, making sure there's competitors. So done outside the main event. Otherwise the main menu a bit, but there was a alright, fixed a whole bunch of rooms on pots, inside the bedroom, worked on rain band from the shooting range. First it was the okay, I think I'm done there. Done. Ho ho ho. Alright. Everybody, yeah. New updates. Ho ho ho. Alright. Now I can get back. What the fuck? To what I was doing over here. Those the numbers. What was I doing? Vector, text. Oh, what's up with this? I just noticed this is wrong. 0 and 0. Oh, okay. That was confusing me for a second. You. I want to say, and I don't care. It does not need to be localized. Paper dummy. I call you the paper dummy. Oops. It's kind of big. I am gonna have to localize this, aren't I? Yeah. Probably people know. First off, don't know what the paper dummy is, but secondly, no. Could they figure it out? I'm sure they could, but it's probably easier if I can do it right here. I don't know. Enter number. And so I need a text box here. What size are those guys at? 64. Okay. So that number. We're Americans, so I should totally be doing U.S. standard. However, it's probably easier to do meters because of Unreal units. So we are going to the metric system. Oops. So I need another one here. I just need you to say VTOS. Actually, I can just say M. That should be the same thing in every single language. Let's go for horizontal box. Of course, this did this when I told it not to do that. Moo. No, not moo. Is there a thing with meters? There's no colon, is there? No. Actually, I don't even care. I don't think anybody cares about this. I'll put meters for now. Spacer. And spacer didn't do shit. I need another button now. I need a better button. I need an image here. For now, I'll just do a text. I am. Oops. Color opacity. Confirm. Like da 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 da. This looks like poop for a second here. Oh my god. What the fuck? Lock the background. Yeah, maybe something like that. I don't know. Big confirm button. Okay, that's what I need. I need another button now. Control B. This one needs to say, come here, bitches. Come here. Come back. Retract. Start over. I don't know what the hell do I use. How about reset? Reset probably better. No, reset doesn't work either. The fuck is the word? What's the word I'm looking for? Come here. Come back. Return. Oh, return. Return is actually probably better. Return sounds better. Return. Man, these things ugly. Return, confirm, return. Okay, so confirm needs to be over here. Then you can return that sucker after you're done. Yeah, I just need something really quick. Doesn't even matter. Need to test it out. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. 2 event dispatchers to go. I want to say engaged. Confirmed. I'll go convention on confirmation. On return request. Yeah, I think this should be fine. Da, 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 da. Hey, baby, baby, baby. Yeah, yeah. All these names don't have names yet. Button confirm. A button return. And everything needs numbers too. Actually, these are good. These are good. These are all good. All right, let's do it. Da 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 da. All right, that. I don't like how fucking UMG does this. I hate how it's just gonna go down. I guess I might as well just do all of them now because I hate it. Bam, bam, bam. I know people will reject this. All right. This is so stupid. Unreal, unreal, unreal. Something like that. Should just do all of that. Alright. Yeah, this doesn't make sense actually. I might as well just do it the same way. I don't know why I'm really being picky here. Me being picky here does not matter actually at all how this works. Oh man, I messed up. And see, this happens when you're picky. Then you mess up. Something like that. Alright, I'll confirm. I want you to call that return request. Confirmation needs a. I should be able to do an int on this one. Can I do an int? I'm gonna have to convert it over anyway, so no. Is there gonna be a floating point error? There will be probably, but it's okay. Distance. Surfing the cybernet? Are you cybering somebody? What? Why are you so nasty? Alright. Distance done that. Oh, you buttons. Oh yeah, so how the hell do I do this? If I press one button, I want the first number. Oh yeah. Hold on a second. How am I doing this? Like an odometer maybe? Let me think that's true. So press one button. Pretty sure set number on right. Press second button. Set number on right to left. Then set new number to right. Huh. That sounds right, right? I think that sounds practically basic. Alright, so I need 2 integers then. First num
integer sec num. You don't want that. Da 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 da. So I need a function actually. Do I need a function? Wait, let me think. First num, second num. Not a variable. Num counter. All right. Ha 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 ha. I'll just do a simple increment. I could do increment, but I don't want to right now. So, first one. Now you're on first one. If you're okay, 0 is 1, so you're on number 1. Increment. Now you're on 1. That's the first one. 2. If you go over 2. If you go over 2. Da, da, da. Oops. Then we're starting over. Okay, hold on a second here. No counter, no counter, no counter, no counter. Yeah, am I gonna do this every time? Function you go. Set new number. Okay. If you're not, I need a number that comes in first. Integer, integer, integer. New number. Yeah. Okay, let me think of this through here. Oh, my back, my bro. New number, first number. Oh, did I do this wrong? I might have done this wrong already. New number gets set as okay, I got you now. Equals. I'm just gonna do it really simple here. If this is 0, 1, 0, so it's gotta be 1 or 2. So this is the first number. So we're gonna set the first number here. If not, you're gonna get set the second number. Hold on, let me think here. New number. What the fuck? New number. So that's number 1. For the second one, I'm making you number 2 now. Wait, am I doing left or right? I'm going from the right. This might confuse me later. This is going from the right like odometer. First num equals second digit. Second num equals. Oh, this is totally gonna fuck me later. I think hopefully that makes sense to me later. New number, second number, first number, set to the first number, second number, set to the second number. Do it returns now. Either way, it's gonna return. Actually, not gonna return anything. I do need to do a. Okay, I need the text now.
This is probably gonna be a little bit ugly, but 0 text distance. Text block distance. Get set text. Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum. Okay. Just need to confirm something. My brain. Just do toString. Append. Shit. Nope. I'll do this outside. I think I'm gonna want to do something else. Boom. Returnable. I lied. I am gonna returnable. P reset. That resets if you go too late. No. Do I need to reset it? It's just because they do that. Nah, I lied. No, I don't need to reset it. So indecisive sometimes. I want to do a first number and the second number. Oops. First number's here. Almost forgot that too already. You know what? I can just do this outside. I see what I did wrong now. Once I figure out the number, I need to set the new number. Let me see this real quick. So my first number is 0, 0, 0. Shit, I don't know if this is gonna work. To me, it makes sense, but I don't know. 0. I won't know if that's it. Oh, what happens when you hit this though? Nothing right now. One, two, three. Four, 5. What time is it? That's almost 3 hours. Surfing the web, old siren, taking a day off. I do need to take a weekday off one day. Clunky. Oops, fucked up. W. Ugh, that is so ugly. I don't know why. I wish. Wait, do I not have Q? Oh, I do have Q. Oh. Clunky.
is the understatement, but yeah. Did I do this right? Alright. Numbers. Oh, see, this is kind of easy. Confirm. Dash. Return. For now. These aren't doing anything. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay. So if I click on something, it should set this number. Is it gonna do it? I don't know if it's gonna do it or not. Let's see how bad my brain was thinking here. We will see in a second. Game mode. Okay, I don't need game mode anymore. I don't need... What the hell did I call this pivot target? Okay, here we go. Come on, baby, we can do it. Alright. Let's do it. Oh. I like UI programming now. So it's a lot easier than a lot of stuff. Yeah, about like that. Alright. Come on, baby, you can do it. The hover is nasty, huh? It didn't work. Oh. Yeah, I'm still getting started though. That's crazy. What did I do wrong? What could I have done wrong? My logic was flawed. Oh. Oh no. At least one of the numbers should have showed up. Yeah. Oh. Well, there's something definitely wrong now. What the fuck is going on here? Yeah? Alright. What the hell? Wait, how? No. Fuck, dude. No.
so confused. It's definitely clicking though. I see it. Oh man, what is going on? Let me think. Print string. Oh, it doesn't matter. Those aren't even getting hit. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck, man? Oh, that was kind of weird. What time is it? I might take a break here. I'm obviously doing something really silly. I don't think I am, but if I pressed it, let me do something really crazy going on here. Pressed. I need some texture. Doesn't matter what kind of texture it is. I just saw something weird. Yeah, let me do that one. Alright. I still dream about Contagion 2. Alexander Text. Yeah, Contagion 2. It'll be here before you know it. Contagion 2. Gotta get out one game first, though. Alright. So, I see the problem now. Alright, I think I know the problem now. I didn't think I needed an image for press, though. If I do an image for... Fucking UMG. I guess I never... No. I guess I've always just done it. I never even, like, really thought about that. Okay. I guess I've always just done it. Didn't even think about it, but... Okay, well... Shit. I don't have any pressed for these yet. Alright, because I usually do hovered and stuff, but... I never knew that this was like a fucking requirement now. Jesus. Alright, so, I'll do something for these later. That was stupid. Zombie one's like way too big. Something like really small. Actually, I don't even care. I'll just use the numbers again. Man, I was really sure I never... Oh, good old. Good old. Oh shit, that scared me. Whew. Left a TV. Scared the shit out of me. Oh. 8. And 9. Alright, well. Yeah, alright. It was just so quiet, all relaxing piano music in the background. No one's chatting it up. No one's chatting the... Oh, there's somebody in Steam, actually, so that's what's up. What's up, Crandall607? How you doing? Well, we were trying to debug something. I don't know. I guess I've always just done it. I've always put the hovered and the pressed thing. But since I didn't have like 1, 2, 3, I didn't have the numbers all ready, right, in Photoshop, so I didn't know that. But now I do. Those damn events won't get called unless you put a damn image there. But I know for a fact if you do a regular button with no image, then press does get called. That I know for a fact because these confirms are going to work. Well, I'll probably forget later though, and be like, what the hell? Why don't they work? Oh, I don't know. Everybody that's watching right now, let me see if I can find you a good treat here. Can I see what my best what is all this weird stuff on my screen? I have a cool little clip that I want to show. Oh man. Check all popular. Oh, this one. Oh shit. This is a good one. This is a good one right here. This is some over here. Is it Virgo Spanish or Latino name? Sí. Soy puertorriqueño. I am Hispanic. I am Latino. Alright, so check.
I moved to delete them.
Check this shit out. Oh, let's do some context here, right? So I'm over here. I don't know when this was. This was March, maybe. It was a long time ago. And yeah, I don't know what I was talking about. Oh, I was talking about deleting the blocks. There's some toy blocks over here. Let me see if oh yeah, these toy blocks we could never get the grips right, and it just whatever. We actually don't have them anymore, right? They're not in the game. They're deleted. So we moved them, and if anybody doesn't remember how the lighting was, I like this lighting. Like the lighting now is like fucking ridiculously dark, but whatever. It's whatever. All right. I don't have say so when it comes to the lighting, so it's whatever. I don't care. But I like this. It's like I can see everything. Like I don't have to worry about shit. But I'm over here debugging something. Tony for some reason. I forgot why. Now I can't remember what I was debugging exactly. But I'm over here for I must have done this like 100 times at least within this particular time period, like a week or a month or whatever it was, at least 100 times. And so Tony, if anybody has played the demo or whatever, the game, Tony's in the corner, right? He's like chilling over there. And so that's where obviously I expected this mofo to be. Well, that's not what happened.
I moved to delete them. And maybe put like a stuffed animal instead. Damn, you scared the shit out of me! What the fuck? Woo! That motherfucker scared the shit out of me! Woo! Man, it's too bad my webcam wasn't working. Holy fuck, that shit scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, so he's supposed to be all there in the fucking corner, right? And this is where, somebody was saying, it was like a really rare bug that zombies were walking, right? And they were on their butts or something. Somehow the animation wasn't working correctly, and not only was the animation not working correctly, but also the zombie was getting activated way too early. And so this motherfucker, yeah, dude, he wasn't even supposed to be there. So I barely see him down here.
Damn, you scared the shit out of me! What the fuck? Woo! That motherfucker scared the shit out of me!
I mean,
Woo! Man, it's too bad my webcam wasn't working. Holy fuck, that shit scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, yeah. Oof. That day, I was like, what the hell's going on? Yeah, that shit was crazy. With the screen wave. Yeah. Too funny to take it. Yeah, no, that wasn't fake, dude. That shit was out of nowhere. I was cause again, I was saying, it was it's I've been doing this for so long, testing, and I've never encountered that bug, right? So I was like, oh, well, people are just lying. They don't know what the hell they're talking about. Whatever. They're just reporting some shit. Whatever. But this mofo, then I got the bug and it scared me because, I'm over here looking at this damn, the little thing. Well, the little thing that we had. I don't even remember what we called it. The look at thing. And, so my concentration was there. And then you see something coming up from under you that's not supposed to be there. Oof, man, tell you what, that was a bad day. Yeah, if my webcam was there, you'd be like seeing some funny stuff. Girly, yeah, that's cute like a girl. Hello. All right, so we're going back to this bullshit. Back again. All right. I'm getting a lot of lag there. I need a profile in here. Figure out what exactly is causing this lag. There's like some weird lag. Alright, so 1 doesn't work still. Oh. Alright. Alright. Well, shit. Still doesn't work. So, now we're gonna debug this. It should. Yeah, it should. Alright. There we go. So I did 1. Alright, 1. Current integer is 1. It's not over 2. Current counter is 1. So this is the first number. Ah, shit. So I didn't use that increment node. I should have just used the fucking increment node. So I could have just set it myself. I always do this shit too. Always do it. Oh my god, it's set. I need to set the damn counter. Oops. Damn it, dude. I set the wrong. I set it wrong. Alright. My bad. That was totally on me. Alright. Now we're going back. Oh my god. Alright, cool. Let's do this actually. Okay. I should have just used the increment counter. But that increment counter doesn't work in for multiplayer. Not like I'm going to use this for multiplayer. I don't even have any multiplayer logic anyway, but I'm just trying to get away from that. It makes it easy. Yeah, first jump scare. Yeah, we need to get some more good stuff, man, Alex. We need to get like Vacancy needs to have something good. I don't know. There's got to be a good jump scare. One. Everybody. All right, here we go. There's 1. Woohoo! 0, 1. Ah. What? Man, I did something wrong. Ah, there's 2. Well, I did something wrong, but it's almost working. Not really. Alright, hold on a second. I think I know why it's not working after the second one. Hold on a second. My brain. Alright. So if we go the second time. Actually, what does it matter? We exit out. We don't set any numbers. Okay, first one, then the second one. After the second one, we reset the counter to 0, but then we come back. So the first one. I don't think you can do that anymore. Originally, I had that though. Originally, that was in the game where you can take magazines from people's weapons. That shit was funny. You could steal stuff from people's sockets. I think you might be able to take people's guns still, but that's your fault. If you close enough to somebody, they can steal it. All right, let me think about this real quick. So the first one, I go in here, I say number 1, set it. Second time, I go in here, I go do that. First number equals second number now.
shit. Okay, I know what's wrong now. Alright, there's actually I need a temp in here. I need a temp. Local, local, let me think here. No, because I should be able to get the first one. Let me do this. Let me do this the easiest way. The easy way. The easy way. The easy button way. If I do this, the first number, that's number. If I'm doing a second number, I'm doing the first takes the second number, but the first number is no longer the first number that I want. The first number is now the new number that comes from new number. I could just have done I should have just done a local number. That's what I should have done. I probably will do that in a second. Let me make sure this is right. This is the correct though. This is the first number. Second number is there. First number is the second number, and I take the new number in there. My logic. I might clean this up though, if that's right. Pavlov kills the fun. Really? I think it's funny, to be honest. I don't know, man. I guess because I'm a troll. Like I like trolling people. Like I don't know. I guess that's kind of this weird stuff. There we go. So after the second time, didn't do it. Yeah, as you can. Oh shit! What? 754. Alright, hold on a second here. When you're 0, we're going to. Yeah, do we even care? Do not return. Reset the sender, 0, start over. Nope, I lied. So we're at 1. Set new number. Recursively. Oops. Let's do that. Oh, 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 oh. I think that should work. Makes sense to me, but I don't know. A whole bunch of other stuff made sense to me. So, oh, what the hell? Oh, why is this broken now? So weird. It's like the game's breaking like ridiculously. That was weird. 1, 2. No. Does not work. Shouldn't be that bad. Why am I doing this wrong? Alright, whatever now. If I set a number, a new number goes in here. Go up to 2. I do need to be 0. Alright, that was my bad. Oh, leaf.
It's Lovico and Nuno on background. Nice music, man. You like it? Novulo Bianche. Yep, Lodovico Inun. Yep, that is correct. How do you know? How do you know that was a song? Can't even hear it. All right, later, Don Demon. All right, for real though, this time. No, am I wrong, Sid? I don't know. Is this going too slow? I don't understand why. Oh. Oh. Whatever you. It's hot. You know, most, yeah. It's hot. Oh, let me think here. A brain. It's Friday. It's definitely a Friday here. It's definitely a Friday. Time is it? Oh, it's over 3 hours. Alright, I'm actually gonna take off. I'm actually done. Got some other stuff I need to take care of. I can't believe it's almost 4 o'clock. I do something wrong still. I'll fix it. I will fix it. I come back to it. Should have been this hard though. Yeah. It is. Got to go. Gotta go. I'm gonna take a break today. Maybe my brain will remember. Oh my gosh. That was almost random stuff today, huh? So, player interaction framework's done then. Okay. So, the rest will go update 5. 1694 range interactions. Minus the new paper target. I should just say remove. Premium is the only one available. Paper target.
Oh yeah, that's right. 22 cal mailbox. I really want to do the stupid number thing because I know it's really stupid. Really makes me mad because my brain's like, oh, I should know this. My brain not working though. Haven't had food in a while either. I will remember you later. You should arrange direction very more complete. Fire mode is only enabled. Targets to be completed. Crazy random box. I don't remember what else I did today. I did a whole bunch of random cleanup and fix stuff. Yeah. Whatever. That's all I got. That's all I got. Alright. All I got. Chat box. What's a chat box? Yeah, I totally should get that. Alright, everybody. Let's see. I am gonna take off, and I'm going to. Oh, I got a donation from Crybaby. Whoa! Thank you. All right, let's do the. Let's do the thing. The credits. The badass credits. And thank you all from Steam who's joining. Thank you very much for the donation there, Crybaby. Thanks for the mod there. Alex, thanks for the follows there. Left Eye TV, I Crazy Plays Live, Don Demon, Lucifer 80, Robinson, and Crybaby. And thanks for the sub again, also, Crybaby. Ramen Sensei, what's up? Alright, peoples. Catch y'all on maybe Monday? I don't know. I hate streaming on Mondays. Monday's like the worst day to do anything. Because it's a freaking Monday. Hope y'all enjoy your weekend. Take care. Peace out.